The waka has been completed to the stage where it must be launched to know how to refine it for ocean voyaging.
First of all, I never thought Hector could have got it completed this fast. I really, honestly didn't think he could. And because a canoe like this has not been tested in 400 years, you need to do the initial sea trials first, put it in the water now, and test it, and get the information, make determinations, take it back out of the water, and make the required modifications so that you will be working towards a successful voyage to Rarotonga.
The child of Tane Mahuta is left on the shore to be claimed by TeAurere. This moment recalls the arrival of Waka long ago. Nainu and Hek wait for the waves to draw TeAurere into the sea.